In this guide, we're going to show you how you can install TikTok here on your laptop or PC. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But installing TikTok on your laptop is really convenient because it lets you open up TikTok quickly using a shortcut, just like a normal app. Essentially, to get started, open up a web browser of your choice. It doesn't really matter which one you use. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. And essentially just go to tiktok.com and then go ahead and hit enter. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this, where TikTok should automatically start playing. But what you're going to want to do is actually look up in the top right corner, select these three little dots, and from here you're going to see a cast, save, and share section. Select that, and then from here go ahead and hit install TikTok. It's going to go ahead and hit install just like so. But what you could also do is just look up here and you'll see a PC app installation as well. You could just select one of these two. As soon as you do that, you'll be good to go and TikTok will be installed on your computer. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.